guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know what this is called, but like when you have to stir stuff, you can't use a spoon. So I'm just going to say no spoon challenge. I know people do it regularly, like without a spoon, but I'm going to call it a challenge for me. So yeah, but I can't use my hands, I can only use my fingers for mixing. No, I'm going to just call it no spoon challenge. So yeah, I don't like taking the lid off because this is my first ever clear glue bottle. Okay, I'll stop it about there. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm going to be so messy, and I also have a tea towel here. I'm going to add a bit of water. I know it's in a drawer cup. Well, that was way too much. Wait, I just thought, how am I going to add things? I don't know. I need to get any. I know what colours I'm going to get there. Probably can't even get them. Where's the silver? I need blue and silver. This is my finger at the moment. Feels really disgusting. Maybe a bit more water. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe. Forgot about that. So, Lockie, I'm calling this a finger making.
Where's my one go?
I don't know.
Right there.
You put it somewhere.
I put it on the table. Who drank the rest?
I didn't. I didn't even know that you had it. So I'm done the blue. Now I'm going to add the silver. Just open silver. Oh, I'm doing this the wrong way. I just thought I'm going to get all of this stuff really messy. I just thought now my finger's going to get all glittery, and I'm making a winter slime. Ooh, this looks pretty. I'm not going to use a tea towel because I want to make it more of like a challenge rather than, oh, I need a tea towel every time. Ugh. That was maybe a bit too much. I'm going to call this, I'm not sure what I'm going to call this. The finger mixing challenge with slime, yeah. Then I'll do slash slime. That'll be so cool, yeah. Can't hear you, but hopefully you say yes in your brain. Or if you comment yes, which I'll probably get confused what you're commenting yes for. It's coming together. I'm pretty proud of me, actually. It's working! I'm still going to mix it. Plus, I just thought that I'm actually already mixing it with my hands. Just open the door. go subscribe to Lachlan is Cool. He made a video like more videos on the holidays, but he never done one single video on the holidays. Only that video that said nothing else including. He's just weird. But so yeah. I'm still mixing this, guys. It's taking forever to come together. Well, it already came together, it's just a bit sticky. Guys, look at this. It's sticky. I don't really even actually need a thing. I don't really need a spoon for slime. Like, you're already mixing it with your hands when you're feeling it, and you're mixing it, so yeah. This video is mostly just going to be about me making it, like, not sticky. Ooh, there's some on the table. Why is there some on the table? I'm going to dip it in water and see if that helps. Probably won't. Oh, you can see the cup and you can see the lid. Is that okay? Yeah, I think that's okay. Like, you can still see me fully. I want to think of like a different setup. I mostly make all my videos like this. Hi guys. This is just way too sticky.
Lily, did you answer the door to him?
No.
Thank God. I was just trying to
I'm making a video.
I was pranking them.
Cool. Well, did you say sorry? Well, you don't really say sorry in pranks. Look, you want to say what's up?
Yeah. I'm just these how.
I'm just going to call you the Owls.
Yeah, the owl gang.
Yes. Oh my god, this is so cool! Is it sticky?
But we.
My brother's never touched clear glue because I've never... He doesn't even like clear slime.
For starters, they just look like water.
No, it doesn't.
What do you guys think? Does it look like water?
It's not even water, Lockie.
Oh no, but does it look like water?
Kind of, no, yes, I don't know. And guys, it's really weird because this didn't even come with food colouring.
It came with different things.
But it came with glitter, magical liquid and glue. But that's alright. I'm not going to see it. Yeah. Oh my god, that touched my nose. Okay guys, saying that it's already slime. I'm going to do some ASMR with it just for like a quick minute. But if that's okay with you. This is a really bad setup. That was so... Okay, can you see this now? I'm sure you can. It's a really bad... This is really bad. I just thought. I can't even do a swirl. But okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys tomorrow.